The SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD hard drive is built for difficult environments with IP65 water and dust resistance, shock resistance up to 3 meters, and it's smaller than the size of your wallet. This hard drive can go just about anywhere. Hey, when you're shooting video in extreme conditions, like dusty desert heat in Arizona or the heat and humidity of southern Florida, you need a way to back up your important footage. The SanDisk was the way to go. These hard drives are solid state, meaning there are no moving parts. The drive comes with USB-C and USB 3.2 connections and a small carabiner. So if you choose to hook it on your clothing or maybe your backpack or your camera bag, you can keep it nice and close by. It is also password protected and features 256-bit AES hardware encryption. With transfer speeds up to 1,050 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 1,000 megabytes per second, these SanDisk solid-state drives move your large 4K and larger video files quickly and completely. I rate the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD hard drive 5 out of 5 stars. If you're looking for a solid-state hard drive to transfer big photo and video files in the harshest of environments, check out the awesome SanDisk Extreme Portable SSDs. You'll love the compact size, the blazing speed, and the durability of these drives. Hey, be safe out there in those extreme environments, and thanks for watching.